So what I recommend this flat iron. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and in today's video we will be reviewing this Kristin Ess hair 3-in-1 flat iron. Okay, I got this from Winners. I was on a hunt for a new flat iron because I want to try something new. I love my one I got from Amazon, the Wavy Top, and I also love the Revlon one, 1-inch. But I'm like, you know what? Let's go branch out and see if we can find something else. So I'm gonna see if this one is a keep or a return. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So when I bought this, I've seen reviews on it. However, I've only seen reviews on my counterparts' hair, not on like black people hair, type 4 hair, or relaxed hair. So I'm like, you know what? Let's make a video for us girls and see how it actually works and see if it really does what it says it's gonna do. So it's a 3-in-1, meaning that it could flat iron your hair, it could straighten it, it could curl, and it could wave it, okay? So let's open it up and see how it looks like. So this is how she looks. She looks very pretty and very sleek. I love how it looks. It's actually a matte kind of like coating on it. I don't know if you could tell. And it's rose gold and it has the Kristin Ess in it. This is very pretty, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The only thing I don't like about the matte finish is that when you have like grease on your fingers, it's gonna show on the flat iron. So you're gonna have to like wipe it off to make it like continue to look pretty. But other than that, this is really nice. And usually the flat irons that I'm used to has like a lock button at the bottom here, so that way it closes like this when you're not using it. This one doesn't have. Instead it has a cover like I showed you guys, and you just slip it on like that, which is actually very chic. I like it. So this is how it looks when it's closed with the cover on, and it's a tight fit. It's a really tight fit. And then this is how it looks when it's off. I'm gonna plug it in and let it warm up, even though I'm pretty sure it doesn't take long to warm up, because flat irons these days warm up in about 30 seconds. But I'm gonna plug it in anyway, and I'm gonna read the cards that came with it, so that way we just know what we're getting ourselves into. So it comes with a style guide, very cute. It has like a picture on it and the name branding right here. And it actually tells you how to work the flat iron. So it gives you the prep, which it says use leave-in conditioner for softness, shine, and extra layer protection. Use a heat protectant if your hair is thin, brittle, dry, damaged, or lacking moisture. Build. Spray wet hair with thickening spray before blow drying if you need that extra hold and support. And go easy. Always start on a lower heat setting and work your way up, not the other way around. Okay. They also give you heat setting recommendations, which I think is really good. If you have thin or fine hair, go only up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium or wavy hair 365, coarse and curly 400, and professional or advanced users 440. Me, if you guys are OG on this channel, you guys know I do not pass 360. If you have to pass 360 on your hair, then yeah. For me, I don't use anything past 360. So that kind of brings me into the medium or wavy hair texture, which I think is pretty accurate because my hair is not coarse anymore because it is relaxed. So we're going to go one up, which is medium or wavy. So basically everything here that it tells you, I've basically been preaching it on my channel. If you're straightening your hair, always use thinner sections. The straighter your hair will get with one pass of the flat iron. So this is set to use only one pass, okay? Always keep the flat iron moving to avoid Always keep the flat iron moving to avoid creasing and excess heat. And for optimum straightness, lead your flat iron down with a comb. In that case, we call it chasing. So you want to chase your hair with the comb. That way you get even distribution of heat on each strand of hair. And it also goes in with how to wave your hair and how to curl your hair. We're not going to get into all that right now. But when we actually try it out, we're going to get into it and then we're going to see if this actually works. So there is an on button right now. Oh, okay. So this is so cool. There's actually an LED screen right here that I did not know about, which is pretty cool. So it tells you if the flat iron is on and off. And I'm pretty sure it also tells you the degree. So we're going to put the on button, which is right here. No, doesn't want to turn on. Okay. There we go. So you have to hold it. So it's set to 365, which is perfect because that's exactly where we want it to be for my hair. So it says it'll heat up. Ooh, it's hot already. Okay. It will heat up in about 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. So we're going to let that heat up and we're going to start sectioning our hair and get to flat iron it. And before I forget to tell you guys, my hair already has all of the heat protectant in it. If you guys want to know what I use, I do have a video on it, and it's the top 5 or 6 products that I recommend if you want a silky silk press. My hair though, before this, I did treat it with the Olaplex system, and this is how my hair looks now. So we're just going to flat iron it and see how it turns out because I'm very excited to use this flat iron and see if it actually is the one, if it will pass the one pass test and see how my hair will turn out. Sections, and my hair feels really good. The straightness is there, like you guys can see it. I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm gonna do actually this full side, and I'm gonna compare it to the other side and see how you guys like it. But so far I think it looks really good. I ain't trying to be at the forefront, and no, I ain't trying to be the face of the movement. I don't wanna take your place, take your glory, yeah. Let my life be like glass so other people can see you. Let my heart be the path that lets your light come flooding in. I don't wanna be a barrier to your being the desire. I wanna be like glass. I wanna be sometimes I really be proud. Sometimes my spirit is haughty, my heart is conceited. I wanna take all the glory. Me, I can't lie. Sometimes when I'm on a roll, and I wanna hear crowds screaming my name, telling me, Sally, you're doing the thing. Pull up myself, killing the game, trying to keep all the glory for my name. Yeah. But it's not about me, no. No, it ain't about me, yo. It's always been about you. You're the center of the universe. All I show is you. All I show is you. Let your light shine through me. All I show. Wherever I go, I will shine your light. What's the point if they don't see you? Yeah. Where I go, I be the lamp holder. When they see me, they will see you. Wherever I go, I will shine your light. What's the point if they don't see you? Yeah. Everywhere I go, I be the lamp holder. When they see me, they will see you. Okay, so this is how this half of my hair looks. You guys, I actually love the way this looks. Like, it looks really good. The shine is amazing. The softness is what really gets me. I don't know if it's the combination of the plates and the products I've used, but it just looks and feels so good. And you guys can see, even this feels so good. I'm not even lying to you guys. Like, this is amazing. Like, the front of my hair feels silky, silky soft. The back of my hair feels nice and full. And I think I underestimated this because this, even though it's so hot, I want to show you guys the rounded plates on it right here. It prevents your hair from getting snagged. And I absolutely love this because my hair never snagged, not once. Not even once, you guys. I'm not even lying to you guys. And it says here as well that the ceramic plates with soft heat technology help seal the cuticle for maximum moisture. Definitely feel it. Definitely feel it. Again, the rounded barrel and the floating plates maximize versatility without snagging or creasing. So this, yeah, Kristin Ess, you're onto something. And the swivel cord, yeah, it has a swivel cord, so it makes it easier to just pass through. But you guys, this feels super, super good, and like you can see the difference. Like, come on now, silk, puffy. Like, come on. Now we're gonna finish this side, and then we'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So we are done, and you guys, I absolutely love this flat iron. Like, it makes my hair feel super, super, super soft, and it was just easy to work with. Like, no snags, like I said. The ceramic plates easily glided on my hair. There's no creases from the straightener, and it just feels so good. But honestly, you guys, this is given like baddie on a budget, okay? I only paid $49.99 for this at Winners. If you are in Canada, if you are in the US, I'm not sure if they have this in Target, whatever. But on Amazon in Canada as well, it's over $100. So steal, my friends, steal. So would I recommend this flat iron? Absolutely. Like I said, it's budget friendly. It works really well. It doesn't snag your hair. The ceramic plates make your hair feel and look shiny and soft. And it is a 3-in-1, so you can straighten your hair, wave your hair, and curl your hair. Yeah, I'm going to do some styles with this flat iron. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's connected to you.